I'm Susan. Today I am making the Pioneer Woman's onion strings. My oldest son asked me for these when he found out I was making burgers today. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. They're so good, I highly recommend them. So without further ado, let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll need 1 large onion, thinly sliced and separated, 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 scant tablespoon of salt, plenty of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, I've got 1/4, and oil for frying. Pour your buttermilk over your onion slices and let them soak for about at least an hour. And be sure to mix them up about halfway through. In a bowl, combine the flour, salt, black pepper, and cayenne. And you want your oil heating, and you want your oil to heat till about 375 or so. Using tongs, remove a handful of your onions and drop them in your flour and coat them really well. And you want to shake off the excess flour off of your onions before dropping them in the oil. And you just want to cook them till they're golden brown. You don't want to overcrowd the onions, so be sure and cook them in batches. It shouldn't take them too long to cook. And while they're frying, be sure to separate them a little so that they won't clump up as they cook. I usually just start getting the next batch ready while the first batch is cooking. And here they are, and this is by no means all of them. The others are still cooking. My son came home for lunch and he had to eat, so I just filmed what I had. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I hope y'all give these a try. They're really not hard. They're so good. In fact, my youngest son made a grilled cheese sandwich with these for supper. So he added them onto his grilled cheese. He enjoyed them so much. So y'all have a great day, and until next time, bye y'all.